Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Nasdaq market site. My name is Kevin O'Neill. I'm the Relationship Manager for TYME Technologies, and we cannot be more excited you're here to help us open the market this morning. At this time, I'd like to invite our executive host, Mike Sokol, up to the podium. Mike?
Thanks, Kevin, and good morning, everyone. I'm Mike Sokol with Nasdaq, and it's truly my great pleasure to welcome TYME Technologies and its Chief Operating Officer, Michelle Corfin, to the Nasdaq market site. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to members of the management team, employees, oncologists, researchers, patient advocates, and all our distinguished guests to Nasdaq. We're excited you could all join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get ready to ring today's opening bell. Now, there's a lot to celebrate today. We're here to celebrate a great up-and-coming biotechnology company, TYME Technologies. We're also here to recognize that November is Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Month. TYME is an emerging biotechnology company focused on discovering, developing, and delivering novel therapeutic approaches that are designed to kill cancer cells from the inside out. As a leader in cancer metabolism-based therapies, TYME's lead oral candidate, SM88, has demonstrated clinical responses in 15 different cancer types across 4 separate studies. Pancreatic cancer is the 4th most common cause of cancer death in the U.S. and is extremely difficult to treat, with the lowest survival rates among all cancer types. Across all patients with pancreatic cancer, relative 5-year survival is 9% and less than 3% for those with advanced disease. The median survival for patients in end stage of the disease is approximately 3 months. TYME is committed to making a difference in those lives of patients and improving these outcomes. As a result, TYME has recently launched a pivotal trial that will evaluate SM88 as a treatment for patients with third-line pancreatic cancer. Today, there are no FDA-approved treatments and no oncology guideline recommendations for more than 10,000 patients in the U.S. with third-line pancreatic cancer who need better, safer treatment options. Michelle, thank you for all you do in raising awareness towards the fight against pancreatic cancer. Nasdaq is proud to be your partner, and we look forward to watching you continue to grow and continue to innovate as a Nasdaq-listed company. And now, everyone, please join me welcoming TYME Technologies Chief Operating Officer, Michelle Corfin, to the podium.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us at this very special event. On behalf of Steve Hoffman and the rest of the leadership team, we sincerely thank you. We chose to ring the opening bell in November in recognition of Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Month. In the U.S. alone, over 50,000 patients will be diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and unfortunately, the estimated 5-year survival is still less than 9%. At TYME, we recently opened our third-line pivotal study for pancreatic cancer. Just looking at patients who reach third line, there's approximately 10,000 patients actively seeking treatment. These patients have no FDA-approved therapies. There's no oncology guideline recommendations. It's unacceptable. We need to do more for these patients, and we are passionate about advancing our lead therapy, SM88, through clinical trials to give these patients other treatment options. All of us in this room have been touched by loved ones who have been afflicted with cancer, and our mission at TYME is to advance our cancer metabolism-based therapy platform for advanced cancers to potentially give patients better treatment options and also options that are well tolerated. So I thank you again for joining us all for this great event. I look out and I see TYME employees, physicians we work with, patients, patient advocates, and their loved ones, and I thank you all. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving and enjoy your time with your family and friends. So at this time, I'd like to invite up Karen Young, who's a board member for PanCan, to also say a few words.
Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, everyone. As a business executive serving the pharmaceutical industry, I never imagined I'd become an advocate, a fundraiser, a family member, and a daughter of pancreatic cancer. I lost both my father and my aunt to pancreatic cancer. And I've looked around and I've really found a community of individuals who this disease produces fighters, advocates, and passion to find a cure. I remember the moment when my father called to tell me of his diagnosis, and I remember the moment of his passing 9 months later. And I realized that this disease does not produce people of light heart. So I stand with you today. I'm very proud to say I demand better for this disease. I demand better for patients. And I wage hope with families to find a cure and to find better outcomes. Thank you.
I'm going to sneak in the middle here. As you alluded to, we all know somebody directly or indirectly that's been affected by pancreatic cancer. So we certainly champion the important work that you're doing and hope to support you in that. In recognition of today's opening bell, I'd like to present you with the opening bell crystal.